Hi guys, good morning. All right, let's look at your Tuesday activities for today. So we are on week 7. So here are your read alouds for this week. This is part 2 of butterflies. Today is Tuesday. So what you're going to do is for reading, you're going to do the same thing you did yesterday based on Miss Roberts' lesson. You're going to stop after each page and think, what did I learn? You can do this with a partner or a family member and talk about what you learned, or you can stop and jot. One fact after each page. And if you don't have any nonfiction books at home, there is a page called Arctic Animals fact page on the website, and you can use that if you would like to, or you could use a book online. For math, if you haven't watched this 3-digit addition word problem video, you can watch that today. But today you're going to practice using the break apart strategy to solve addition sentences and word problems. So you're going to watch this video, and then after the video, you're going to go and get the polka dot task cards, and they have polka dots on them. And then you're going to do all of the cards 1 through 12 for practice for the break apart method. If you can't watch the video, then you can just do the polka dot task cards. So these, let's find the polka dot task cards right here. Polka dot task cards. And this is what they're going to look like. So they're little word problems, and you're going to use the break apart method. And Arctic Animals facts, this is what you can use for reading if you want to. So after each break here is when you would stop and talk or jot down a fact. Hang on just a minute, buddy. And then for science today, here's Tuesday, you're going to go to BrainPop Junior on your class link and type in frogs. Watch the life cycle of a frog video, and then take the easy and hard quiz. I think that's all for today. Your grades are not until the end of this week. So everything today is just for your practice at home, and I will see you all tomorrow morning.